As AI integrates more into our lives, it's increasingly important to be aware of your digital footprint. Every online action leaves an imprint and a digital trail that leads back to you. This includes inputs and conversations with AI. Being a responsible digital citizen isn't just about mindful posting, it's about considering your entire data journey. Social media comments, in-app messages, and AI interactions can be traced back to you, forming part of your digital footprint. Personal information, emotions, and your innermost thoughts and secrets, those are best kept off the digital trail. It's vital to protect your privacy because we still don't fully understand how the information we share with AI will be used in the future. While you're online, including when you're engaging with AI programs, engage respectfully and open-mindedly to nurture a positive digital climate and to keep your digital footprint clean. Ensure that the information you share, including with AI, not only protects your privacy, but is accurate, reliable, and respectful. As young digital citizens, you hold the power to shape our digital world. Let's be responsible online, making a positive impact on ourselves and others.